Yeah, hello everyone. I was checking that if we are live or not. Apparently, we are 5 seconds delayed, like between 4 to 5 seconds late. All right, hi everyone. Welcome back to another live video. I'm trading and oh, let me see what happened. My chart stopped. Not this one that you're looking at. Give me 1 second. Yeah, this sometimes crashes because at the open there's so much live data coming in. I'm using two different computers. Let me just recreate this one. Yeah, you're back. I'm gonna load my template. Okay, MBO data. Sounds good. We're live still. Okay. All right, everyone. Welcome back to another live video. Today I'm doing market analysis and um, some trades. If I see something suitable, I see a good setup. So, and first of all, this is not financial advice. This is for entertainment and educational purposes only. The first few minutes of the market open, I normally don't trade. I normally give it like, let's say 15 minutes or sometimes 30 minutes for the profile, volume profile to, shape up a little bit so I can see the, okay, so this was point of control from the other day. This is the low volume note. Yesterday's open. Let's create this box for now. If the market shifts down and populates this area becomes the new value area. This is too early to, decide about it. This is weekly point of control, and this is yesterday's point of control. Yeah, the point of control moved to the downside. Let's go to 1 minute chart. For quicker scalps, I rather use 1 minute charts. But most of the time I'm on 3 minutes because 3 minutes cuts enough noise. And this is a low volume node. This book speed shows aggression. Bunch of buyers are coming back in. I don't see any deep trades. Normally, at the market open, you should be able to see some deep trades. There are lots of passive buyers in this zone. Let me show you. Can you see this screen? Yeah, this is a footprint chart that I use, 1 minute footprint chart, and it's a heat map. Shows lots of passive buyers, but sellers are trying to go through this. If they break this one, they will go up to the next one, which is up to here. So this is a 6 point move if they break this one. But if they break it, let's see if the buyers are going to, because I don't see any big trades at this point, so I'm not going to join this party. I'm waiting. Let's go back to my main chart, which is the main chart that I trade off of. So far, the volume profile is shaping here. And we haven't seen any big trades as of yet. The delta profile shows lots of sellers have been active, which is normal. Bunch of buyers in this level. This aggression got absorbed here. That gives me a sign to, let's see what they do here. This was the low volume node. If the buyers, oh, look at this, buyers are trying to, push it above this low volume node and take it to the value area high. Buyers are trying to break through this low volume node.
Alert iceberg on ES.
We got iceberg on buyer side. Sellers are protecting this low volume node.
Alert iceberg on
Another
ES.
iceberg.
Alert iceberg on ES.
Lots of hidden buyers joining. Let's join. Stop loss here. Take profit value area high.
Alert iceberg on ES. Alert iceberg on ES.
Sellers are protecting this area like pretty hard. And also buyers protecting this area pretty hard. So there's a battle between these two zones.
Alert iceberg on
If the
ES.
buyers cannot break through it, I'm gonna be out. Let's wait for another couple candles.
Alert iceberg on ES.
Yeah, sellers are protecting so bad here. But if buyers can break it, definitely we are gonna reach the basically
Alert iceberg on ES.
High of the day. It's 950.
Alert iceberg on ES. Alert iceberg on
Wow,
ES.
look at this. Maybe I should take this one to break even. Okay, and maybe I should offload one or two. Because the sellers are also fighting this so bad. Offload one. Stop loss here. Offload another one here. Yeah. Because look, this candle got rejected so bad. The buyers are still in the game though. Okay, 3 is enough. I'm holding 3. Stop loss here. If I sell right now, I'm in profit. I'm gonna leave it here. Let's go, baby. It should reach high of the day. I'm gonna leave 1, 2. I take profits here, and then what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna keep a runner. I don't think we are gonna like go much much higher than this, but there are lots of active buyers down here. That's why I entered the long. I wanted to enter here, but um, I got distracted by something else. So I entered a little bit higher. Okay, I'm gonna move this one higher. Stop loss here. I'm in with 2 contracts right now. I entered with 5 contracts. Offloaded 3 already. I'm in with 2. Oh, I have to take this phone.
Alert iceberg on ES.
All right, I am back. I had to take that phone call. So again, this is not financial advice. This is for education and entertainment purposes only. So the trades that I get here are basically are prop firm evaluation accounts. So these are not real life account money. Full disclosure. So as you can see, we took this trade here. Actually, we took it in this red candle. We had several take profits in this zone, and I left a runner because I think we might hit this high. This is the pre-market London. So I left a runner for that. But the reason that I took profit was that when I was looking at the volume profile, I didn't see that much volume coming on the buyer side. So that's why I thought maybe I should take some profit. And I entered with 5 contracts, took a bunch of profits, and left the runner. This is only the runner, the only runner that I have left. The stop loss is slightly above the break even because I already made some profits. I don't need this one to go. This one is either moon or get taken out. Doesn't matter. We entered the trade here with 5 contracts, 5 micro contracts. We held it up until here. And also, I was looking at the heat map. There were a bunch of passive buyers orders, passive buyer orders were down here. The reason that I entered was that I saw, you see these, basically these bars, there were aggressive sellers that got absorbed by these buyers. That's why on this retracement, I entered with 5 contracts and then it shot up. But because I don't see like too much aggression from the buyers, I sold a bunch of them here and left one runner to see if it can hit here or not. I didn't want to give money back to the market, so that's why I only left one runner and sold the rest. This is the speed of the tape. The buyers, they're a little bit falling off. I don't know if they're gonna pick up again or not because this low volume node, look at this area here. This low volume node here could held the twice the attempts of the sellers to go lower. That's a good sign actually. So if it holds for this, let me look at the heat map. If it holds for the 3rd time and it doesn't break, we might see more move to the upside. Because the 2nd time that it came in, it did a lower low. Let's see what it will do 3rd time going in. This is the IVB. IVB is an indicator on this app, Deep Charts, that shows the basically high and low of the day. Basically, this is the same thing as we used to call it opening range breakout or orb. This is the same strategy, but this gives you some projections as well once the candle closes outside of this. So 70, it's not something that you can go with all the time. So 70% of the times this thing works out. But during the consolidation area, during the time consolidation times, when the market is consolidating, you may not, you know, get super useful. Oh wow, look at these buyers. Go baby. I'm gonna take this stop loss here. I moved my stop loss. So they didn't even touch this box for the third time. I was waiting to see the
Alert
reaction.
iceberg on ES.
Let me see what's
Alert
on this.
iceberg on ES.
Wow. Okay, so this is super interesting. I see icebergs on both sides. So meaning that the same time that aggressive sellers are coming in, aggressive buyers are also countering them. This is very interesting. So there are, you see that this is the tool. It gives you a projection based on the length of this basically IVB or opening range points, the size of this opening range. It gives you a protection or projection area that in 60-70% of the times basically the price might hit this location. Again, this is not something that this works pretty good in directional days. In directional days, you can't go wrong using this, but in consolidation days, let me show you something. You see, yesterday was almost an inside inside day. So in during the times of consolidation, this opening range breakout may not work as well or IBB model, but other than that, like look at this. During the directional days, whether it's going up or down, this is perfect. But in right now, it looks like we're consolidating here around the top. So, and I expect today and tomorrow will like that. And on Friday, we're gonna have either retracement higher, lower, or pump higher. In my opinion, chances are higher that we get a retracement a little bit down. Let's see if we can fill this gap or not, because this gap plays a key role. So far, it's an inside day. Let's go back to the 1 minute or 3 minute chart. Since I'm in a trade in my futures account in this basically prop firm evaluation account, I'll keep it like this. I have my TP and I have my stop loss here. Take profit, the stop loss. My take profit is in profit already. Sorry, my stop loss is in profit already. I do trading both futures and options. So now I normally shift to options slightly after the market open, let's say an hour or half an hour after the market open, because that's where the the premiums start to, go a little bit lower, and option prices become more deflated when it comes to, paying for premiums. This is it. I'm gonna leave it here. So this is for me. This was the trade for today, folks. If you liked it, if you enjoyed this trade analysis, make sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video and share it. I try to go live once to twice a week if I have more time, maybe 3 times a week. It
Alert
depends.
iceberg on
But
ES.
another iceberg, the sell side. But in the meantime, I see fresh liquidity from the buyers. So this is a good area. This is the new battleground. If they can hold, buyers can shoot up to here. Or you see that in the 3 minute chart, because this is the IBB model is completely mechanical. In the 3 minute chart, you don't see that because we haven't seen a 3 minute candle closes above the IBB threshold. So if it closes, you're gonna see that protection here. Let's see. Anyways, so this was the trade for today. We entered here. based on the absorption that we saw of these big sellers, aggressive sellers. I thought this the sellers are being absorbed, so meaning that lots of basically hidden buyers down here absorbing them. We took it the long, we sold a bunch here, and now we are holding one runner with the stop loss in profit, and we already made our money. So this was the trade for this morning. Hope you enjoyed it. Again, these my live videos are not financial advice. These are for educational purposes only. Um, if you like this video, share and subscribe to my channel and like the video. All right, I'm logging off now. Maybe I get back on tomorrow or what? I don't know. Tomorrow is Friday. Tomorrow we might see lots of volatility in the market actually, because again, before letting you go, uh, yesterday was almost inside bar, inside day. Today is looking like inside day with not much volume. If you compare the volumes with yesterday, you're not going to see so much volume here. So I think the volatility is going to pick up tomorrow. So today I'm not expecting much crazy volatility. It's going to be like a ping pong day or a range day, unless some crazy news or crazy tweets coming out. Other than that, it's going to be some like range day. All right, hope you enjoyed today's video. Take care. Bye bye. I'm going to stop.